Okay, this is our description of what we mean and analysis of what people call orbits. So right here is eight. Eight would be eight planets in an orbit, and one would be one planet in an orbit alone, and six would be one planet in a star. Then four would be necessarily four stars, and that's that symbol right here, which equals all of this over here. And there's X. X would be a necessarily rogue situation caused by the this right here. Now, all of the necessary words for this is not an orbit because orbits only occur in a elliptic. Then away from that elliptic would be another elliptic, and then just continuously making elliptic circles over and over and over again, which isn't the case. It was mostly how one situation of orbits, then to the left it would be more orbits, then above it would be more orbits, then to the right it would be more orbits. And all of that would necessarily continue on and on and on until one thing becomes another. And all of this would be more and more orbits, and all of that would be the best of that. Now, this is called what we call a procedural situation about orbits, which isn't about galaxies, it's just about specific procedurals of orbits. But you can't procedurally generate an orbit that's random, such as this, because this isn't random, this is chaotic, and chaotic is not random, so you would have to program chaotic instead of random. That's necessarily a hydrominion, which is called in an archaeological study that we performed a 4. And we have many words for the numbers. That's all these numbers, and you can say 4 here is not 4 down here. Most people would say 4 at the bottom of another location is the same thing as 4 at the top of another location. But that could be anything that's different. So necessarily that would be this 6 over here. And you would say, well, I saw another 6 myself, and there was a 6 over here surrounded by that. And that's totally different. But that's mostly it. Involving that, we moved on from space drones right now, and we're focusing on a simpler situation where we have a robot that is capable of flight, since there's no one really wanted to see space drones for whatever reason. We just have robots that fly, I guess, and they land and do that instead of the space drones, I guess. But that's what we have right now. We're coming up with more ideas. We have about 6 ideas generated a second, and that's it. Thanks.